Miriam's fight for education. Life lessons from an Afghan girl. A dusty road in a quiet village. Miriam, a 16-year-old Afghan girl wearing a red scarf and a long dress, stands at the doorway of her home, holding a notebook. She looks into the distance, her face. The world outside my window feels smaller every day. They've closed the schools, silenced our teachers, and told girls like me to stay home. But they forgot something. My mind is still open, and my dreams are still alive. My name is Miriam. I'm 16 years old, and I live in Afghanistan. The Taliban won't let me go to school, but they can't stop me from learning. Today, I want to share with you 3 lessons I've learned from this fight for my future. Lesson 1. They may take away my school, but they can't take away my hunger for knowledge. I've learned that freedom begins in the mind. Books, conversations, even the sky above us, there's always something to learn. Miriam reading a tattered book, then teaching her younger brother how to read, using the dirt floor to write letters with a stick. Lesson 2. My life has changed. The streets where I used to walk to school are now silent. But in that silence, I've found my strength. Every day I teach myself, I prove them wrong. Lesson 3. My dream is simple. I want every girl in Afghanistan, in the world, to have the chance to learn. No matter how hard they try, no one can take that dream from me, and no one should take it from any girl. Miriam stands in front of the camera, her red scarf blowing in the wind as she speaks with passion. If I can't go to school, I will make the world my classroom. If I can't sit at a desk, I will teach from where I stand. And if I can still hope, so can you.